Alright. Come with me.
Hey, I'm getting tired of carrying you around. Can't you walk on your own? Oh, I forgot. I removed your legs and arms. Sorry about that. Huh? What was that? What is it? Where the? Get me the laptop. Oh. Bring it. Huh? Hey. You.
Me?
Yes. You. Why did you tie me here?
Don't play dumb. I know you're one of those killer androids.
What do you mean? In one of the successors?
What? Successors?
Yeah, why?
Oh, shit. Well. Why didn't you tell me that?
You serious? You sneak attacked me before I could say anything.
Oh, my bad.
Still, no problem.
Also, by the way, what was that broken android thing you were carrying on your back?
A Bloom, long-limbed android created for storage handling.
Huh. So that's what that was.
By the way, where did you put it?
I threw it in the back. I figured since it didn't have no legs and arms it wouldn't go away. By the way, what's your name?
But I also go by Bob.
Why the nickname?
I was told that the other tribe models like to play with the students in the labs, which made the students start to call us Bob.
Nice. Hey, since you're a successor model, what are the failures and what happened to them?
Failures are those that didn't work well or started attacking without command. Normally when a model fails, they'd get dumped.
And then after that?
After that, the others.
The others?
Shut the fuck up and listen.
Whoa, okay, I'm sorry.
I meant the other destroyed parts of the androids, I just wanted to make this more dramatic. Anyways, one of them would start controlling the other parts. They would start to search each other. Sometimes, they would even dismember parts of them to create new parts.
Uh-huh.
Eventually, after they find each other, they combine each other. Like, literally, dismembering and reconnecting each other.
Wait, so you're telling me there could be an amalgamation of killer androids somewhere hidden in the labs?
Yeah, but don't worry, the chances of it escaping are low to none, we just have to avoid entering the labs.
Okay, good. I just don't feel good knowing that.
Even then, it won't be too fragile because of all the dismemberment and reconnect. But if it finds an injector, well, we won't stand a chance against it.
Oh, okay. Hey, I want you to go check something out.
Sure. But can you untie me first?
Oh yeah, hold up.
Alright. Thanks.
No problem. Alright. It's under that latch over there. You can go under first. I'll go check on that Bloom thing. Hey.
Alright, okay. Under here.
Yup.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
There was literally no reason for you to count.
I know, but I'm literally programmed to do that, so why not?
Sheesh. Alright, I'ma go check.
I get it. Cool.
What? Not good at all.
Ow, I wonder why he told me to.
Huh? What the hell? HUD. Bob, what are you doing?
Basic.
What the fuck are you doing? All right. Knock it off.
Target missed.
Bob. What the hell's going on? Because with my eyes I see a giant metal gorilla beating what I thought to be a dead corpse under my basement.
I will literally crash you alive.
What? Damn it. That burned. What the fuck? Huh?
Target found.
Whoa, what in the... Huh? Hey, thank you. Oh? You want me to cut the chains? Sure? Yeah, holy shit. Oh my god.
Target neutralized.
Bomb. This time I'm not holding back. How about a knee to the face, fuckhead? Ow. Damn it. What the hell possessed you? I was actually trusting you at the start, but now you're forcing me to kill you. Gotcha. Let go. That shit hurt my ears. The fuck kind of powers do you have? That thing burns like hell. Cut it out. No, why? The fuck? Make it stop. This damn fire. What? Get the hell away, God of beasts. Without what the? It started raining. How convenient.
What is that?
Oh yes, it's my opportunity. What the? Is that a bomb? Ugh, damn it. I gotta regenerate. Ugh, what happened? I can't regenerate? But what about my missing arm? What the fuck did I do to deserve this? Huh?